Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Extrude and the Intersect Extrude. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we'll select the front plane and make this sketch. Here will be the midpoint. So the first thing that we make, we create this arc here with 6 millimeters of radius, create a line here, and another arc here with 35 millimeters of radius, and another arc here with 9 millimeters of radius. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the front plane, go to create and select the center point arc, click here in the midpoint. The radius here is 6 millimeters of radius, make an arc here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and the midpoint here, this point and the midpoint. Now select the line, click here in this point, make a line here, and make an arc here, and another arc. To create this arc with line, hold the left button of the mouse and make the arc, okay? We make these two arcs here, they are tangent. Now go to sketch dimension. The distance between the center of this arc and the midpoint is 86 millimeters by 40 millimeters. So the distance here, 86 millimeters, and the distance here is 40 millimeters. Move this here a little bit. Okay. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here, 35 millimeters. 35 millimeters here. And the radius here is 9 millimeters of radius. Okay. We made this. Now we need to create an arc here with 15 millimeters of radius and another arc here with 9 millimeters of radius. And the center of this arc is constrained with this one, and the distance between the both is 24 millimeters, okay? So select the line here, make another arc here. And create another arc here. Okay, go to constraint, select equal, select this arc and this one. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here, 15 millimeters. The distance between these two arcs here is 24 millimeters. Let me move this a little bit here. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. Okay, we made this. Now we needed to create a line here and an arc here. And this arc has 100 millimeters. And it is tangent with this line and tangent with this arc, okay? So select line, click here in this point, make a line here and make an arc here. Tangent and coincident here. Go to constraint, select tangent, select this arc and this one. Go to sketch dimension. The radius here is 100 millimeters. And this arc is tangent with this line, okay? Now, we will create these two holes here. The diameter of the circle is 9.5 millimeters of diameter. So select the circle, click here in this point, 9.5. Create another circle here, equal. Okay. Now we needed to create this slot, and the distance between the centers is 35 millimeters, and the distance here, the diameter is 5 millimeters, okay? So go to create, select the slot, center to center slot, click here, 35 millimeters here, and 5 millimeters here. Go to sketch dimension, you need to put this dimension again, 35 millimeters. And we made this. Okay. Now finish the sketch. We need to extrude this 24 millimeters, okay? So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement holy length, the distance here 24 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this, okay? Now we'll select the top plane and make this face here, or the top face, sorry, and make this sketch. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch, select this face here. Go to create, select the project included, project, the selection filter, select the body, select this body here, press OK. Sorry. Hide the body one. We made this. Now we'll create a line here with 50 millimeters, 59 millimeters, sorry, and create an arc here. Make the same here on this side. And the distance between these two lines here is 8 millimeters. Okay. So select line, make a line here with 59 millimeters. And create an arc here. Make the same here, a line here, and an arc here, okay. Go to constraints, horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here, this point and this point here. Go to sketch dimension, the distance between these two lines here, 8 millimeters, and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 4 millimeters, okay. And the radius here of this arc is 20 millimeters of radius. 20 millimeters of radius. Select the constraint, select the equal. Okay. Now just to check the distance here, 50 millimeters between this point here and this point. Okay. Now we needed to create this cut here, a line here with 27 millimeters and a line here with 8 millimeters and close here, okay. So select line, make a line here with 27 millimeters, a line here with 8 millimeters, and another line here. Go to constraints and select horizontal, vertical, select this point and this point here. We made this, okay, we have this profile here. So finish the sketch. Now show the body one and go to extrude and the operation, select intersect, the profile, select this profile here and the direction one side and the extended type, select the all and flip the direction here, operation intersect and press OK. We made this, okay. Now we'll add a fillet here in the edges. In the outside edge, the fillet is 2 millimeters, and in this slot, the fillet is 1 millimeters, okay. So go to fillet, select this edge here, this one, in the other side here. Select the fillet here. The fillet here will be 2 millimeters. Okay. And add selection set. Select the slot here. The fillet here is 1 millimeter. We made this. Now press letter A in the keyboard. Select the faces. Select the paint here, glossy. And here we finish our exercise. So thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.